You might be wondering, what's the big deal? If you avoid these inspections, it could be financially draining and emotionally draining. Stick around to the end. As we go through these inspections, I'm going to explain what these inspections are, what could go wrong, and how to handle them. We all know buying a home is one of the most exciting times of your life, but also sometimes it could be a little nerve-wracking. And while you're in escrow, it's very easy to rush through the process and overlook the details. And I'm going to give you some real-world examples why it's important to do a sewer or septic tank inspection. Imagine moving into what you thought was your perfect home. A few months later, you notice a strange odor in your yard, or even worse, sewage backing up into your bathroom. By then, it's too late and the repair costs can skyrocket into the thousands. This situation no one wants to be in, but it happens far too often when buyers skip the sewer inspection or septic tank inspection. From collapsed sewer lines to tree roots invading pipes, or even failing septic system, these problems are not only expensive to fix, but can also lead to health hazards for you and your family. So when you're doing your inspections, naturally when you have a home inspector out there, they're gonna verify, the roof condition, the plumbing, electrical, the outlets, appliances, the whole 9 yards. However, the home inspector cannot see underground. They have no idea how your sewer line is, all the way to the city connection. That's why you need a sewer inspection. The sewer inspector is going to put a camera through the pipes, through the sewer line, and check all the way to the city connection. That's where you'll learn if your sewer line has cracks, if it's shifted, if there are roots and does it need a hydrojet. All of this you want to know up front so you're mentally ready, because an average sewer replacement could run anywhere between $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. Sewer lines are buried underground, so often problems go unnoticed until it's too late. For homes that are not connected to the city sewer line, having a septic tank is as equally and important to do. Septic systems are like the personal wastewater treatment plant for your home. When a septic system fails, it can lead to environmental contamination, unpleasant odors, and costly repairs. During the inspection, professionals check the sludge levels, leaks, and signs of failure, such as standing water in your yard or sewage backups. These issues might not be visible during a casual home tour, but can be devastating if not addressed early. Let's talk about what could go wrong. Sewer line has its wear and tears of years and years of usage. Sometimes even shifts, earthquakes. Your sewer line could shift, it could crack. If there's trees around it, the roots could penetrate through the sewer line, and that's where issues will arise in the future. Sometimes you'll have backups into the house, especially if it shifts a lot. It could be very costly. Septic tanks, the system itself could fail if you don't properly maintain it. It could lead to backups, other issues. Normally it's recommended every 5 years or so you have your septic tank pumped. So basically a company will come out, put a hose, and literally just empty out the tank. Everything in there will be just, taken out of the tank. So you know what I mean. So here's the good news. Having a septic tank inspection or sewer line inspection done could save you a lot of time in the future and a lot of stress. Average cost I've seen a couple $100, a sewer inspection, $250, $300. Septic tank inspection could vary anywhere between $500, $600, a little more. But the good news is when you do these types of inspections, if there are issues, at least you are aware of them up front. You could either go back and renegotiate with the seller, reduce the price, ask for the seller to make the repairs, ask the seller to give you credit and you'll make the repairs outside of escrow. Or worst case scenario, sometimes it just doesn't make sense to move forward. If, as an example, a full septic tank system has to be changed, that could cost $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. So at times it's just best to cancel and find another property. But you want to be prepared. You want to know upfront what the issues are. All right, that's a wrap. If you have been in these situations, comment below. I want to know what issues you had and what did it actually cost you to fix them. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to Everything LA Real Estate. Definitely subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.